Hi, now we will see how we will add offers and promotions, which, which means like giving discounts to the customer and how we can set that in the system. Okay, first for that, like you need to go to Saloon Master and click offers and promotion. Here you can see like there is variable options available, like you can select from which date to which date this offer runs, which time to which time the offer has to be running, and which day of the week the offer can run. Similarly, you can also apply to this either to one branch or to multiple branch. Now we will see how we will create an example by applying the offer to all the branches, all the days, and for the month of December for the whole time. Here you will select which are the service or the service category, and you can select that particular category. If it is services, you can add individual service, or you can select the entire category, and all the services within that service category will be added. Okay, and also like if you want to add all the services, then you just need to press add all by providing how much discount you need to give. Now I will add all the services which I have, and I will save. Once saved, the offer is created, but the offer is not activated until now, and only it is activated by a super user. So once you click the offer and activate, then this offer will be activated for that particular time or date. Okay, now we will see how we will activate. Now I will activate this one, so the offer is now activated. Now we will see how that is reflected in our system. For example, I have a appointment here, okay, or else I will create a new appointment. I will create a new appointment and add the service. Now I have a service to which the offer is applied. So now the offer is created. By creating the appointment, the client comes in, he arrived, and now you wanted to check out. So by checking out, you can see that the offer is applied automatically, and no need to do for each and every invoice you create for this or the active services which is already activated for the offer. So the discount is automatically activated. Now we will see one more option. All you need to do is to make the payment by the client, okay, and press checkout. So the invoice is generated. Okay, here is the bill for that invoice, and you can see that the discount is already applied here. Now for example, you think that the offer you wanted to deactivate as of now, like all you need to do is click the offer and deactivate. There is actually two, so I deactivated the offer. Now if on the same time if another client comes in, okay, there is one more appointment which is there, for which we will actually try to apply checkout. You can see the discount is not applied, meaning because you deactivated the offer, so this will not be applicable, so he will pay the entire amount. So this is how you create offer and promotion, and also activate and deactivate the offers. Thank you.